So you've built up your skills as a DJ, you're a bad boy DJ, now you want to start getting paid in clubs. I'm going to give you 4 steps on how you can start charging as a DJ in a club. Let's get into it. What's going on, people? I go by the name of DJ CB and I help bedroom DJs transition over to a club DJ. If you like the sound of that, make sure you're hitting that subscriber button down below and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. If you have just subscribed, type I subscribe down below in the comments below and I will comment back instantly. Let's get into the video. When you first become a DJ, all you want to do is start getting in clubs and start getting paid. But as a new DJ, it's so hard to get into clubs initially, but once you get into the clubs, it's even harder getting paid the money that you want. So in a previous video, I actually done a video on private bookings, but in this video, we're doing it on clubs. So the first step on how much you should charge as a DJ in a club, have a figure in your head. Let's say at £150 that you want to be paid for the whole entire night. Keep that figure in your head and then start contacting bars. Start contacting bars and saying, I'm a DJ, I'm looking to get a slot in your bar, do you have any slots, blah, 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 blah. Once you've done that, after you've contacted about 50 odd bars, one will come back to you. But what you need to remember with your fee, you've never played in a club before. Do you know how to warm up? Do you know how to get the girls dancing? Do you know how to play main set? Do you know that just before you end, you shouldn't be playing no hype music, because when people leave, you want them to leave on a low because you don't want anyone to have too much energy to go start fighting. These are the things that you need to know as a club DJ to even start getting paid money. So when you're going in with your fee, remember these things. Have you ever played in front of a crowd before? When you're picking your fee, pick something realistic. Once you give them your fee, they're actually probably going to turn around and say, oh, the previous DJ used to charge this. If it's close to your fee in your head, take it. If it's about £10 or £20 off, take it, and I'll tell you why. It's so hard to get into clubs and bars these days as this market is so saturated. So as a DJ, you want to get into a club as quickly as possible, especially as a brand new DJ as well. If you've never been in a club before, I suggest to you, take the little bit of a cut to get inside the club. Once you've got your foot inside the club, start to prove yourself. Start to prove why you are worth that money that you initially said. Prove your skills. Show them that you can warm up a crowd. Show them that you can keep the dance floor busy. And also, when you're in the venue, try and build up a following. So play a good set. So people are like, this DJ is amazing. So they want to come back and even more. Then people will start coming up to you and asking what your DJ name is and then start following you. Then everyone will be like, you know what, let's go back to XYZ venue because XYZ is playing. Get yourself a foot in the club and then we can start talking about raising the price. Now I'm going to say one thing. With clubs, they are going to turn around sometimes and say, can you do it for free? The only exception I say to you guys for doing it for free is if it's your first ever booking as a DJ. You've never played inside a club before, you have no experience of playing in front of a crowd. Take the booking for free. Don't do no more than 2-3 hours. Go in, smash the set. Prove to them why you are actually worth more money. I guarantee if you smash your set perfectly, they will call you back the week after. But once they call you back, you are now in demand. Do not let them take you for an idiot and say, oh, can you do it for free again? If they say, can you do it for free again? Leave. Do not do multiple bookings for free. Do the first one to prove your skills and get inside the club and do your thing. But if they keep taking the mick, leave. And I guarantee there will be another club that is willing to actually pay you. Do not be taken for an idiot. DJing is a profession and you should be getting paid for it. So once you've got inside the venue, whether it's taking a cut or you've actually got your actual fee, make sure you smash the booking. And also make sure that you're being professional. Turn up on time. Turn up half an hour before your set. Make the venue manager be happy with you. Make sure that they can rely on you. Turn up early. Turn up with the right equipment. Make sure that you're turning up with some backup equipment in case your equipment dies. And just make sure that you smash the booking. If you smash the booking, you're more likely to get even more bookings and more sets in that venue. Step 4, you've been in this bar for a long time now. Now you want to start getting even more money. If you've been smashing the dance floor for the past 6 weeks or so, or 7 weeks, you're getting, the venue's getting loads of money. You are keeping the dance floor packed. then start asking for more money. Ask for it in a professional and kind way. If you go about it the wrong way, the venue will just drop you. Like, some venues don't even care about their DJ, so they will just get rid of you if you're rude. So remember, when you're asking for more money, do it in a polite way and give them reasons why you're actually worth that money. Have you been keeping the dance floor busy? Have you been making them even more money? Are people coming to the venue more because of you? If that's the case, tell them. Pull them aside, pull them into a meeting room and sit them down and tell them. And I guarantee they will give you a bit more money. It probably won't be much, but £10, £20 is something. Make sure once you start charging in a club, that you start getting initial pay rises. It's just like any job. DJing is a job. If you're doing well, you deserve to get paid even more. Step 5, once you start getting paid in one venue, now you want to start getting paid in another venue. So once you've got your Saturday night sorted and you're getting £200 every week or whatever, start looking for a slot on a Friday night and just take the steps that I said in the start of this video and apply it to there. Have a figure in your head, go talk to them, get in the venue, smash it, and then do that. So now you then have 2 venues that are paying you. Obviously, try and make sure that the venue is not in the same area as your first venue, because if it's a competition thing, you'll find out that your venue will actually get rid of you if you go to another competition. So try and get another booking in another area. As a DJ, you want to be getting multiple bookings. You don't want to stay in the same place because you'll get too comfortable and you'll get lazy as a DJ. If you have multiple venues that have 2 different type of crowds, it keeps you on your toes as a DJ. And also, it will get you even more money. Imagine you've got 2 venues paying you £200 a week. That's £400 a week. Some people don't even make that in a month. So make sure that when you go to these venues, you are smashing it. Once you start smashing it, you will start getting even more money and you'll get known more as a DJ. The more experience you have and the more you get yourself out there, the better DJ you'll become and the more money you will receive as a DJ. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below to get more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. I go by the name of DJ CB, and we're out.